Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 18th and I started these off on April the 11th. And these are ready to be planted. I didn't actually check these over the weekend and I was really surprised to see how much growth some of these have had. So I'm just going to make a little hole here. I've decided to go with some larger pots here. These little Jiffy pots. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Right here. They're a little bit larger for some of these, so I don't want to break the root off. Anyway, it's amazing the difference between some of these. These are really, I do not want to break the root. I want to make sure I stay on camera here. I'm going to get right in there. And get that root right in there. There we go. And get those around. You can actually see that there's a leaf already started on this seed here. Let's just give it a little bit of a push to get that down. Look at that. Wow. Yep, there's actually a leaf right there ready to pop that little seed right off. So same thing for this one here. You can actually see two of them here, three of them actually have not started germination at all. I'm not going to give up on those because they all of a sudden they can just take off. So I'm just going to grab this with my finger. Sometimes using your finger is just the best way to go. So there we go. We'll load that up. Get that right around. Make sure that you'll always keep that upper part, the green part. It has to see some kind of light in order to grow. Well, that looks good, just like that. Perfect. So I will water these after I finish the video. So those are those two there. Then I've got the little one here. I just soaked a pod, so I'm going to open that up and we'll get that one in there. So you can see here the stem has started, so you know the leaf part is inside the seed, so you want to make sure the seed is up. We'll just get that around, just like that. And then these three, I am going to do the same thing. So I've got 1, 2, and then I need another one. So I will do one more, and then I'll come back. So I've just soaked my last one, and I've already planted those two. So I like to take the seed and place the narrow part downward. So just get that in there like that. And then a little bit of, just cover it up with that soil. So there we have it. So we've got, move that out of the way. So as these progress, I'm going to keep you up to date on these. So that's it for this really fast one, and I'll catch you on the next one.